Hello children, today we are going to see the chapter 4 Geometry. In 6th standard we studied symmetry, that is line of symmetry, this is reflectional symmetry, rotational symmetry, translational symmetry. Okay, now we are going to see the symmetry through transformation. Transformation means change. So the symmetry through changes we studied now. The original figure, see here matchsticks are given, isn't it? So this is original figure, this is the image. Okay, so the original figure is called pre-image. Okay, so the original figure is called the pre-image and the new figure is called image. So pre-images are denoted by A, B, C, etc. and the images are denoted by A prime. See here, this A, then an upward one comma, so that is read it as A prime, B prime, C prime. Okay, so this is the symmetry through transformation. Okay, so first let us see translation. So what is translation? A translation is a transformation that moves all points of a figure in the same distance in the same direction. Okay, so all points of a figure in the same distance in the same direction. See the figure, this is the pre-image and this is the image. So the distance will be the same. Okay, for all the points, moves all the points of a figure in the same distance and in the same direction. And the second one, see, this is the pre-image and image. Okay, so here the right side movement, see this pre-image, the image is the right side movement, then this pre-image, this is the image, this is downward movement. Okay, so right side movement is denoted by this right arrow. Okay, and the left side movement is denoted by left arrow. In vertical, the upside movement, this upside movement is denoted by upside arrow and the downward movement is denoted by downward arrow. Okay, see this transformation. See, this is the pre-image and this is the image. So the pre-image of A is moved 6 units horizontally right side. So just to start the point, this is A, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the point A, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 right side. So here denoted as 6 right side arrow. See this point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in the same direction and the same distance, so right side movement. So this denoted by 6 right side. Then see this is an pre-image and this is an image. See this, 1, we count from the next point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so right side 5, then 1 upward. So 5 right side, comma 1 upward. Okay, then see this is the starting point. So you count from the next point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 right side, then 1, 2 downwards. Okay, so 6 right side, comma 2 downside. Okay, this is the transformation through translation. Next, reflection. A reflection is a transformation that flips or reflects a figure about a line. Okay, it is a transformation that flips or reflects. See this figure, we can observe the reflection in water, a mirror or in a glossy surface. See, this is a glossy surface. Reflection in mirror. This is a cat reflected by a mirror. Then chess coins, reflection in a glossy surface. Then this is the reflection in water. Okay, so here see this one line. This line is called line of reflection. Okay, see this red line. See, this red line is the line of reflection. The distance between the line of reflection, see here, this is the distance from the line of reflection to the pre-image. That is also equal to the line of reflection to the image. Okay, so this distance and this distance should be equal. Okay, this distance and this distance should be equal. Next, rotation. A rotation is a transformation that turns every point of the pre-image. Okay, it's important. Every point of the pre-image through a specified angle and direction about the point. The fixed point is called the center of rotation. Here rotation means we move the point, that is a fixed point. From that point only we move it. Okay, the fixed point is called the center of rotation. The angle is called the angle of rotation. For example, it is 90 degree or 180 or 270, any degree. So that angle is called the angle of rotation. The rotation is also called a turn. Okay, rotation of 360 degree is called a full turn. Okay, then rotation of 180 degree is called a half turn. Rotation of 90 degree is called a quarter turn. We see this is the protractor. In the protractor we got 180, 180. Okay, so here also 180, here also 180, the straight line. So 360 degree is called a full turn. So this fully. Okay, that is a circle. Then rotation of 180 degree is called a half turn, and rotation of 90 degree is called a quarter turn. Okay, see this figure. This is pre-image ABCD. Okay, so this ABCD is rotated about the point O. Okay, this is the center of the point. So this pre-image ABCD is rotated about the point O to get the image as A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Okay, so this is the image AB, pre-image ABCD. Then the image is A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime. Okay, then the angles AO, A prime. So AO, A prime and BO, B prime, CO, C prime. Next angle DO, D prime. Okay, so angle AO, A prime, angle BO, B prime, angle CO, C prime and angle DO, D prime are all equal. Okay, any point G on the pre-image. This is the any point G. On the pre-image ABCD will have a corresponding image G dash. Okay, so any point G on the pre-image ABCD will have a corresponding, that is same image as G dash on A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime, such that then GO angle GO G prime is equal to A angle AO, A prime, angle BO, B prime equal to angle CO, C prime, that is equal to angle DO, D prime. This is already we saw that these four angles are equal. Then the point G on the pre-image have a corresponding image G prime. Then this is also equal. GO, G prime is equal to angle AO, A prime. Okay, which is the angle of rotation.